Hi, I'm Chris, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Windows of the Soul. So this is a hydrating eye cream, and it helps to smooth fine lines, reduce puffiness and the appearance of dark circles. And you don't actually need a lot, so we're going to use the ring finger to apply. So just under a pump, and you're going to share it with your other finger, and then we're going to apply it just above the cheekbones. Just a nice tapping, gentle tapping. And you can use it on your laughter lens and just on the brow bone as well. So very quick, very simple. You may feel some slight tingling, and that is just the active ingredients working. Okay. So, if you'd like to buy this or any other Temple Spa product, then just click the link in the comments below the video.